Hello everyone, welcome to another stage in Microsoft Word. So today we are going to be discussing about how we can work with our charts in Microsoft Word, how we can insert our charts, also we can edit and to format our charts in Microsoft Word. So that's what we are going to be discussing today. So before we continue, I want to so much appreciate you all. In fact, I'm so grateful for how you guys have shared and also subscribed to my channel and continue to drop comments. It has really helped us a lot. We are so grateful for that. All right, so I have something to also share with you guys today is how we can actually change the theme for our Microsoft Word, which is the background color, how we can change it to either the dark or colorful. If you have be following us on other of our videos, we discussed how we can also do the same thing on Excel. So now we are going to see how we can do the same on Microsoft Word. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, keep subscribing, keep sharing, and don't forget to leave a comment. All right, so let's get started. All right, to insert a chart, we are just going to come to the insert tab here and click on the insert. Then you come straight to the charts under the illustrations group. You click on the charts. Now look at all the charts we have in Microsoft Word. So we have all of these. We are just going to be using the pie charts. So just click on the pie charts. Good. Now these are all we have under the pie chart. We have the 3D pie, we have the pie of pie, and bar of pie and the rest. All right, so we're just going to be using the 3D pie for instance. Just click on the 3D pie and then hit OK. Now it's going to bring it out. Good. Now this is it here. So when it brings it out, it actually brings a chart looking like an Excel table where you input where the data are inside there. That is, we have the first quarter and the sales there. So all right. So now what is the work for of this table that's here? Now this is the first quarter. That is to say, this is it here, the first quarter. So we can actually change the name of this first quarter. Let's say for instance, now we want to be having YouTube. If we click enter, now this is it. When you come here, see it has changed this to YouTube. So you can actually rename each of this. So we can do the same thing for the rest of that if you want. So now come over to this part. This is the percentage, or should I say the sales. Now we are going to be changing this now to 6. Let it be 6.2. Then we hit our enter. Now this is it. It actually reduced this. So if we also want to make this, for instance, 11.2, hit enter, and this is it. So this is how we can actually format our charts in Microsoft Word. All right, so when you're done, you just click on this and then it goes out. Now, there's also something we need to know. Now, when we bring in our charts, we are going to be having two additional tabs, which is the chart design and the format tab. Now, what is the work of it? Now, coming to the format first. Now, the format is actually for you to work on your chart, which is like giving it a color, quick styles, giving it a feel, and all of that. It's just all about formatting your chart. Then, how about the chart design? This is where we can now input our chart styles, also where we can also add our data, add more data, or edit our data in our chart. All right, so now for instance, these are the chart styles we have in Microsoft Word. So we can actually select any of these. So let's say I'm going to be selecting this. I just click on it and this is it right here. So now how about we now want to edit our data? Just come here to select data and then something pops up. All right, so now this is it, pops up. So we're just going to be closing this one. Good, and this pops up. So you can actually add more. How do we add more? Just scroll down a little. Now here we are now going to be having Twitter. Good. Then here can repeat the data for the Twitter as 33. Then I hit enter. Now this is it. We just created for Twitter and this is the data for it. So this is how we can actually format our charts or work with our chart design and also to edit some data in the chart using Microsoft Word. All right, so that's all we're going to be taking. So I'm going to now tell you guys or show you guys a simple trick on how you can actually change a theme in Microsoft Word. So this is what we're going to do now. I'm just going to cancel this and go to my home. Now, what do we need to do? Come to File, come down here to Options. You see to More, you see Options. If you're using 2016, you're going to be seeing the options here, but I'm using 2019. So I'll just click on More and then come to Options, click on it. So now I'm just going to come to Office Theme. Where you see the color for here, click on this down arrow, then I'm going to be choosing black and then I hit OK. So now this is it. I just changed it. So you can also do the same by selecting any other color there. Come to More, come to Options, then you can select even the white or dark gray, then hit OK, and this is it. So this is how we can actually format our office theme in Microsoft Word. So this is all we are going to be taking for today. Do not forget, hit the subscribe button, continue to share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye.